Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get the Shard of Verathiel in Diablo 4. The Shard of Verathiel is a unique one-handed sword that's great for all classes. Special effects significantly boost the damage of basic skills, increasing it by 100 to 300%, but it costs 25 primary resource points. This makes it a powerful option for enhancing basic attacks. To obtain the Shard of Verathiel, focus on the Infernal Horde game mode introduced in the Season 5. This mode has higher drop rates for unique items, and to unlock the Infernal Hordes mode, you need to complete the Eyes of the Enemy quest line at the World Tier 3 Nightmare difficulty and get an Infernal Compass. In addition to Infernal Hordes, you can also find the Shard of Verathiel by participating in the World event. So basically like defeating the world bosses and running nightmare dungeons. These activities increase your chances of obtaining this valuable sword. And that's it for today's video. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.